Hello, you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bilkish and I wish you a very great day ahead. So, today is an off day, basically, it's a weekend, it's Saturday. So, I'm just brushing my teeth away and I'm gonna get ready for the morning. आज workout नहीं करूँगी, nothing as such, completely off day because it's a break from workout. And yeah, I'm sipping on some hot water to begin the day first, and उसके बाद मैं थोड़ा सा खाना वाना बनाऊंगी like Millie's food and all of that. But I just brushed my teeth. I am about to get freshened up, brushing my hair, tying my hair, and all of that. I'm so happy that I feel alright. Since I'm just going to do household chores and I have a long day ahead, so I'm just going to do my skincare like moisturizer and lip balm and nothing else because बहुत सारा काम है घर का काम तो yeah after I shower I'll properly do skincare and all of that. वैसे my skin is skinning. I don't know how because I have had nonsense food throughout the last 2 weeks. Set for the day. Sorry for that. Let's get to make some breakfast now. This video is getting chaotic, so please bear with me. It's getting really difficult lately to be in the kitchen with hair open because I hardly tie my hair. My hair is always open because मैं ज़्यादा देर तक बाल बांध के रखूँगी तो मेरा ना माथा दुखने लगता है. So because of that I don't tie my hair much. I keep it open. I cannot style my hair. मतलब if I put clips on my hair for longer time I get migraine and all that. Also, you might hear some squeaky noises in the background. It's because Millie is playing, so please don't mind that. So, before I make my breakfast, I'm going to make Millie's lunch first. She already had her breakfast. अभी मैं बस carrots, beans और chicken का boil बनाऊंगी. And that's it for Millie's lunch. See, you heard the squeaky noises? It's Millie! My clothes are getting dirty and I do not realize, and every time I'm about to shop something, either I order home essentials or Millie stuffs or whatever, but I always forget Afron. On another note, I always think coffee jars and mousse jars have much more potential like this. You can put your plants inside like money plant and propagate. Alright, I got a cute little knife from Amazon and I'm super excited. They look so cute. I have been seeing this knife all over internet every time, so I had to order. Squeaky noises because of Millie. She's extremely excited, she's happy and she's playing. She's doing really well. So I'm going to pressure cook her food, chicken, carrot and beans with some haldi in it. और मैंने ये भिंडी काट के रखी थी, but then I'm not gonna cook my lunch today. I'm gonna go out and eat my lunch, so I'm going to keep it back. But time for some breakfast because I'm tired. I need food for the rest of the work ahead. I got some mangoes from market and some bananas and I don't know what is it called. ताल शाश बोलते हैं हम लोग बंगाली में. So yeah, this one is so refreshing and so great. I have been craving for this for so long, but मुझे मिल ही नहीं रहा था कहीं पे भी. So yeah, so my boyfriend got this for me, and yeah, I'm going to enjoy this later, sometimes during snack time whenever I'm like hungry. And yeah, अभी के लिए मैं इसको क्या बोलते हैं पील करके मैं फ्रिज में रख देती हूँ before I eat. I like it cold. So yeah, also every time you get mangoes from market these days you cannot trust anything that you do not know where it's coming from, and if it's coming from straight from the market from a vendor, do not trust. Just get those vegetables, उसको अच्छे से धो लो. जैसे कि मैंने मैंगोज़ को आधा घंटा से 1 घंटा मैं वाटर में रखती हूँ. Even if I get grapes or strawberries or blueberries, whatever it is, I make sure I wash them with soda and salt so that I can get rid of unnecessary stuffs that are not good for your health. So do that. By the time I'm going to put this in the fridge and get to the rest of the work. Yeah. So मैं ये chia seed yogurt with some honey मैं सोक करके रखी थी overnight. I'm going to have this with some banana sliced and topped on it, along with some mangoes cubed ताकि थोड़ा सा fancy दिखे. Haha, not really, because mangoes are in season and you cannot have enough of mangoes. I mean, I cannot have enough of mangoes. मेरा तो favorite है like mango and strawberry. These are like two fruits that I love. I also love guava and cucumber. I really love them. So yeah, I cannot have enough of these fruits. I'm a fruit hogger. I love fruits, I love salads, and I love sushi. Along with the yogurt bowl, I'm going to have 3 eggs, like full eggs. And this is recently my favorite breakfast. Usually summer में मेरा यही होता है because yogurt keeps you cool for some time, and eggs are good for protein. Yogurt also has got some protein and with some seasonal fruits, of course. And my eggs are incomplete with this furika के seasoning. अगर आप मेरे videos देख रहे हो for some time, then you know I'm obsessed with boiled eggs and furika के seasoning along with it. पहले मैं chili oil पसंद करती थी, अभी I'm going a little light, so this seasoning. Also गर्मी जितना भी हो, I need my tea, coffee, green tea, masala chai, whatever I need my beverage hot. So while I'm having my breakfast, I'm also going to binge watch the series that I've downloaded last night called Thank You Next. So that's what I'm going to watch for the time being with my breakfast. फिर आगे का देखेंगे क्या आता है. So after a nice wholesome breakfast and a good Netflix watch, I'm now cleaning my house. I have already broomed it. अब मैं पोछा लगा रही हूँ. Recently I've stopped using Lysol because Millie is here. तो मैं ऐसे ही मतलब घर सिर्फ पानी दे के पोछा लगाती हूँ. और you get a solution for pets. अगर आपके घर में pets है, you get a separate kind of disinfectant solution for your house mopping and all of that. Instead of Lysol, you can use that because pets mostly lie on the floor, so we have to be like extra protective and careful about their skin and hair. ऐसा होता है कि ऐसे chemical से चीज़ से ना उनका skin hair ख़राब हो सकता है, so we better use good products. It's a workout. This household chore is a workout. After all that jazz, I got freshened up, I took bath, and I'm already feeling extra cute today. So I have put a little hair clip on my hair. It's time for my talshash. I love this. It's cool and it's very much time to be in my mouth. So I'm going to have this with the Netflix, with the same series. I'm on episode 3.
On a first official date? What's his excuse?
Maybe he doesn't need an excuse. He said, don't bring your car. I said, fine. We're meeting at the restaurant.
Is he broke? Or maybe just lazy? What's his job?
No idea. Ask him yourself, sir. For God's sake. I barely know him. Really his name right.
They messed around first, now they're getting to know each other.
Sounds like a weird trajectory to me.
How about we pause this? That better. I just woke up. We can all relax. Maybe we can go together.
You're so cute.
I'm so obsessed with this girl, or maybe she's obsessed with me. She loves lying down on my lap like this, and मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Like I can't explain this feeling. Okay, so now we are heading to this recently discovered Bengali restaurant that we really like too much. So we're going to go there for lunch. It's a good restaurant क्योंकि घर का खाना जैसा बनाता है. It's almost close to what my mom's जैसे कि different vegetables का चोखा बनाता है. तो हम लोग का ये सब बहुत होता है like chokhas and all of that. So they make really good thalis. So we're going to go enjoy with some starter to begin with, maybe, I don't know. So yeah, let's see. And the Kolkata houses are a visual treat. I love it. Before going to the restaurant, we did a little photo shoot session, and this is the restaurant I was talking about, Epare Bangla. So if you're in Kolkata and if you're eager to try some good Bengali restaurants, you can give this Epare Bangla a try. Although it's not sponsored, but I would definitely like to recommend. So comment section में बताइए if you have ever been to this restaurant and if you have liked their food or not. I absolutely enjoyed. On our way back home, we also did another set of photo shoot session, of course mine, and we got some flowers and some other groceries and we're heading back home. Till then, I'm signing off and I'm gonna see you soon in the next vlog.